Imagine an AI that can not only understand your every command, but also anticipate your needs and deliver brilliant solutions. Welcome to the world of DeepSeek. Today, we're diving deep into DeepSeek, an advanced AI model poised to revolutionize how you work, create, and discover. First, let's explore its coding prowess. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, DeepSeek can help you generate code snippets, debug complex issues, and even explain intricate algorithms in plain English. Beyond code, DeepSeek is a maestro of the written word. Need to craft compelling marketing copy, an informative blog post, or even a creative story? Simply provide your topic and desired tone, and watch DeepSeek weave linguistic magic. Research is another area where DeepSeek truly shines. Feed it a complex subject, and it can summarize vast amounts of information, identify key themes, and even help you formulate research questions, saving you countless hours of sifting through data. The power of DeepSeek lies in its sophisticated language processing and problem-solving capabilities, acting as your intelligent assistant across diverse domains. By leveraging DeepSeek, you're not just enhancing productivity, you're unlocking new avenues for innovation and gaining deeper insights into your work. Ready to redefine your workflow? Explore DeepSeek and discover the future of AI-assisted work today. #DeepSeek AI, #AIML.